See how faded this is? I'm going to show you how to make it look like this. That to that. It's a mixture, acetone, and boiled linseed oil. But it worked good. It appeared to, and then, you know, when I washed it off with some purple power degreaser, it kind of was gray still. Now, it ain't as bad as it was. It seemed to help, but it didn't really get the resolve that I'm looking for. You can see the original color here where the sticker was. I purchased new stickers for it as well. But how gray it is. So here we are, trying to bring back the plastics, the color on my bike. It's all faded out. It's a 2004 Wolverine 350 four-wheel drive. Fun bike to ride. It's like you can go mudding and jump it, and it's just a lot of fun. Of course, you see I've snorkeled it. Pretty neat bike. And last night, my daughter, well, a couple days ago, my daughter mentioned trying a torch. So I got my torch, and I had a little fuel left in it. So last night I came out here and I did some burning on it. Now, you don't want to burn it, you just want to get it hot, and it kind of burns that gray stuff off of it, and seems to work really well. I'm going to try to do the rest of the bike now, see if I can get it all looking good, and we'll see what happens. Working out pretty well. See it shining. All right, I'm going to start on the front fender here and show you what I'm doing with this. See, I'm just going to put the heat on it, and you're going to watch it. You're not burning it. It will blacken it. Just burn that old stuff off. So it's taking away the old.
Good.
So that's the process. I got a green scuff pad here too. Like if it looks pretty heavy or something, just give it a little rub down, break that stuff up a little bit, and this will leave like minor scratches on it. It won't be as smooth, but when you melt it with the torch, it levels it back down. Like I say, just make sure you do not overheat it. You'll put black spots in it, or it'll melt the plastic. And here we are by the gas tank. I don't suggest doing this, but I'm gonna do it. Well, you can see now, it ain't quite as blue as where the sticker was, Well, this bike was just about gray. That plastic was so rotted out. Of course, these white spots, that's where it's been like up against a tree or something to hit it, and it's flexed the plastic out. Over here I got some more, but I think overall it come out pretty good. I'm gonna either put some like tire shine on it, or I might wax it. Kind of takes the color's back, but it looks a little like dull kind of for the color. So maybe some wax or some of that slick tire shine stuff. Spray some of that on there and let it soak in. Heck, maybe some linseed oil again. That stuff, heavy duty stuff. So I'm gonna get it shined up and I'll see what it looks like on the next one. All right, coat of wax added. Put some good shine on it. I mean, obviously it ain't brand new. These plastics are 17 years old now. Mostly been kept inside. The last couple years I haven't ridden it much. After I get my new stickers on there for Yamaha and four-wheel drive and all that, I'm going to put a thing of tire shine. Cheap old tire shine. I spray it on my side-by-side or four-wheelers before I go, and when you come home you can just wash that stuff off with a hose. Nothing sticks to it. Usually lasts a couple rides also, unless you use a degreaser. If you use a degreaser on it, then it will take it off, but a lot cheaper for that stuff, and it goes further. I put it in a 1 gallon garden sprayer. That way I ain't got to sit there and keep pumping it. I don't buy the aerosol. The other stuff in the spray bottle's better. But anyway, it's looking good. Got that shine on. So the blue bike, I don't know if you remember how gray the plastic was, but I did the burn method, and like I say, you got to be very careful not to burn the plastic and melt it. All you're trying to do is burn off the old plastic that's been burnt by the sun. You can tell the color definitely come out on it. It almost looks new. So there you have it. I'd say the best method for old plastic is to use a propane torch and just graze over the surface, heating it, burning off the old plastic. Brought the color back good. And then of course I'd use this product on all my bikes. Some people use SC1 or cooking spray, all kinds of stuff, but I think the Meguiar's works really well. It brings out the shine. This bike has been sitting for 4 days now. It's looking good.